Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca Escott, everything Tumbler Tutorials. And I am super excited to be on this side of the camera for once and introduce you guys to two new exclusive glitters. Escott exclusives. So I've teamed up with AB Designs to launch these new beauties, and we've been working on this for a couple of weeks now, and we're super excited that today is the day. So I actually just did a video on a wine glass tumbler where it said details coming soon. That's the pink one, and it's coming tonight. So we're going to be live not in one group but two groups. My group, Everything Tumbler Tutorials group, as well as Ashley's group, which is AB Designs Co. If you guys are not in these groups, you want to get there. You're not going to want to miss this good time. We're going to have a lot of goodies, a lot of giveaways, and within my group, I'm also going to announce out of my top 10 group contributors, I've got something very, very special for you guys. So I'm super excited. So again, if you're not already in those groups, get there. I'll make sure I have a link down below. In the meantime, please check out this quick clip that I put together for you on these new beauties, and I hope to see you all around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. Stay tuned, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you. And it's to launch new glitters. I have teamed up with launching two new glitters. All extraordinary fun with these extraordinary glitters. Hello and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials. So today I've got some very exciting news. Super excited about these guys. So tonight only at 7 p.m. ish for an exclusive launch on these two glitters. So beauties. So I hope to see everyone tonight at 7 p.m. ish. I'm usually never on this side of the camera. It's just usually my hands. However, AB Designs and my... So I really hope to see everybody there. If you're, like I said, if you're not already in the groups, you want to get there. This is not something you're going to want to miss. This is going to be a lot of fun. So I hope to see everybody there, and please enjoy.